YouTube SEO 2021, how I ranked not one, but 2 videos in YouTube search in first place, and one of those videos is actually ranking on Google search. First thing I want to tell you about ranking in YouTube search and ranking on Google search, yes, there's videos that pop off. I know that there's unicorns out there that like hit the algorithm and blow up overnight, but those are unicorns. Just because that doesn't happen to your videos when you start your YouTube channel, I, my friend, do not want you to give up, because both of these videos that I'm going to show you, it took months before they started ranking. I kind of low-key forgot I even made my video until all of a sudden it started getting a bunch of views and I was like, what is going on with this video? Same thing for my client's video. I'm talking randomly. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's go with my client's video first. Kelly Preston. As you can see, I am incognito mode and I have searched branded email signature, and my client's video is the first one that shows up in YouTube search. So let's jump into the analytics of that video and let me show you a couple reasons why. Okay, so here we are on Kelly's channel, and as you can see, yes, she's ranking in YouTube and incognito mode for that YouTube video, which we love, but she also only has not even 250 subscribers yet. So she is ranking as a small channel. I'm gonna go find that video. So let's check out the analytics of this video. First thing you can see, she's gained 19 subscribers since this was listed. So this video is definitely converting subscribers for her. But the important thing I want you to realize is 20 days into this video, we only had 60 views on it. 40 days into this video, we only had 89 views on it. And now we're sitting well over 2,428. The reason why is because she is getting so much traffic from YouTube search, and actually with this video, she's getting a lot of traffic from suggested videos. So I want to show you what I've done as the channel manager for her for this video to help her get those views. If you're a small channel, you're trying to grow as a YouTube channel, keep watching this video, take some notes. There's going to be a lot of like little things in here, and all of them are gonna help you out to grow your channel, but please remember that time can be the key. Before you judge a video on its success, maybe give it 6 months to sort of get placed by that algorithm. For sure, YouTube wants your video to get seen by as many people as possible, okay guys? So YouTube has your back, just give them a second. So I'm gonna show you, it's a really simple system that I use and anybody can recreate it. So the first thing is, down here are my tags. We got this video ranking like a bunch of times in a bunch of different places. So this is amazing. This video is really doing well. But all of these tags are very specific to actually what this video is going to deliver. So we're not throwing in a bunch of like random tags. This is really specifically to what this video is about. My secret is that I copy these tags when I'm filling out the description box. I get my tags first. I copy those and I paste them into my description box. So I'm reusing those words. It's so freaking easy. Oh, so I do that. And I also repeat the title. My keywords that I was really targeting for this client was branded email signature. And I was trying to get her some extra traction with the algorithm by adding Canva and Y-stamp. So as you can see, if we go actually back down to her tags, she is ranking in Y-stamp email signature because she's teaching Y-stamp, and not Canva. Go figure. Canva's a little bit more of a popular search term, so there's some more competition in there. But she's ranking in branded email signature, which I totally love. Okay, moving on. Pause looking at that, because I have to interject. I know that a lot of people are talking about YouTube SEO for 2021, and do tags even still matter? So no, they don't matter. There's some things that the algorithm is giving more priority to, but are tags gonna hurt your video? Not at all. The way I think about tags is it's giving you as a video creator who is great at what you're great at. Maybe you're great at cooking videos, maybe you're great at cleaning videos, whatever you're great at. I just wanna give you a super simple method that you can use to build out all the SEO for your YouTube videos, and starting with the tags is a great place to make it easy. if that makes sense. I use 2 different tools when I do my SEO research, and down in the first comment, I have freebies for you with both of those SEO tools, so check that out because you can get started. And if you want me to do a whole nother video on how I come up with tags, I can, but if you just poke around my channel a little bit, I've talked about it lots before. One other thing we do is we add the timestamps to this video. So I'm going to show you the timestamps are right here. So that's the behind the scenes of the first video that I did. I'm hoping this is helping you as a small channel. I'm gonna show you now my video, and my video is also ranking in Google search. So let me flip over to the analytics of that video. Here's my video on incognito search and coming up in first place for make YouTube shorts on iPhone. I didn't even spell make right, and here it was, it still came up. Other thing that's kind of fun is if I actually search this on Google, maybe we'll fix the spelling mistake. Make YouTube shorts on iPhone. This video is actually ranking as the first video in the body section for Google. So this video is doing really, really well. And if you remember in the last video, I told you with Kelly and her video that those first 3 lines of your description box were really, really important. Here, I can show you why. So this video that's ranking on Google, you can see that this is bold. This is written in bold. So YouTube shorts, make YouTube shorts iPhone. So those are the keywords that I was targeting with this video, and Google has actually made them in bold with this video. So let's jump into the analytics of this video and I can show you what I've done here. Okay, so once again, you can see I am a bit of a small channel. I only have almost 1,200 subscribers on my YouTube channel, yet I'm ranking in YouTube search and also ranking in Google search. So can it be done? Yes, it can be done, but it's gonna take some time. One thing I should mention, and I'll throw my niching video up here so you guys can check it out. When I started my YouTube channel for the first year, I was just making all the content I kind of felt like making. I didn't follow the like niching down rule until this year, 2021. So I will say that I noticed this video starting to take off when I committed to niching this channel that you're watching right now to YouTube. So keep that in mind. Niching definitely is going to help. And if you're wondering about how to decide on niching, I have a video for that. But let's go into that video and let's check out the analytics, and I can show you guys what I did differently on that video. So here we are with the analytics of this video, and I want to show you this again because I just want you to believe in the content you're creating so much. No, I'm impatient too, I feel you, but we're gonna give it time. I'll promise and you'll promise and it'll be good. In the first 23 days, this video only had less than 100 views. Now it's all the way up to 1,500 views for this YouTube video. This one didn't take off for 3 months before it kind of found its placement and found its home. The other thing that I'm going to say I find very, very interesting about this video, the average view duration sucks on it. So it's like 1 minute and 38 seconds and only 14% of it is viewed, which I think is crazy. But anyways, because a lot of people are like, watch time, it has to have a long watch time. This video really doesn't have long watch time. What this video does have though is a really high click-through rate. So I think that that is definitely helping to drive this video. So I must have done something right with my thumbnail. That one and only time, because thumbnails are my kryptonite and oh, I struggle with them. Okay, moving on. I just want to show you that this one is definitely getting so much of its traffic from YouTube search, and it's also getting a fair amount of views from Google search as well. So that's kind of the history behind this video. Now I want to go to that tagging. The keyword that I chose to target with this video was making YouTube shorts on an iPhone. I'm not going to go into how I picked that keyword. That's a conversation for another YouTube video, but that's what I picked for this video. So again, if I go down to my tags, you're going to see that this is where I'm ranking here, exactly the keyword that I was targeting. But now if you look at all of my other tags, oh, this tag is really bad. He shouldn't probably be there. That was probably a mistake. If you look at those tags, the fair majority of them are leaning towards YouTube Shorts. And what I've done with this video is copy that keyword into the title. So you can see, we already kind of showed this on the other screen, so I won't go into it actually too much, but I've reused the YouTube Shorts, how to make YouTube Shorts on your iPhone in the first 3 lines of the video. And again, I've used it in the title. The one other thing that I did, again, same as in Kelly's video, is I utilized the timestamp feature that YouTube has. So how to make YouTube Shorts on your iPhone and how to optimize your YouTube Shorts, which is very specifically what this video is about. I wanted to show you what I did for those 2 videos to have them land on YouTube search for as super small channels, which is a huge win. So grateful, so excited, but there is a lot to unpack in this video. So you probably have a bunch of questions. Drop them all down below in the comment section. I'm gonna keep making videos to answer all of those questions for you guys. And don't forget about those freebies that are down below for TubeBuddy, Morning Fame, and my super awesome video planner guide. Love having you here. Let's grow our YouTube channels.